How to be a better partner. In this video, I'm going to share some tips that can help you improve your communication, build trust, and show your partner how much you care. One of the most important things you can do to be a better partner is to communicate effectively. This means being able to share your thoughts and feelings in a clear and honest way, and being able to listen to your partner's thoughts and feelings without judgment. Here are a few tips for communicating effectively with your partner. Be open and honest. Don't be afraid to share your true feelings, even if they're not always positive. Be a good listener. Pay attention to what your partner is saying, and ask questions to make sure you understand. Be respectful. Even if you disagree with your partner, treat them with respect. Another important part of being a good partner is building trust. Trust is essential for any healthy relationship. It means feeling secure in your partner's love and commitment, and knowing that you can rely on them. Here are a few tips for building trust with your partner. Be honest and reliable. Keep your promises, and be truthful with your partner. Be supportive. Be there for your partner during good times and bad. Be forgiving. Everyone makes mistakes. If your partner does something to hurt you, be willing to forgive them. Finally, one of the best ways to show your partner how much you care is to do thoughtful things for them. This could mean anything from cooking them dinner to giving them a massage. It's the little things that often mean the most. Here are a few ideas for thoughtful things you can do for your partner. Plan a special date night. Go out to dinner, see a movie, or do something else that you both enjoy. Give them a massage. This is a great way to show your partner that you care about their physical and emotional well-being. Write them a love letter. This is a personal and thoughtful way to express your feelings for your partner.